This message has been approved by the government of Friesland. Dear Mr. President, welcome to this introduction video to the glorious country of Friesland. It's a country, a real country, totally a country, and it's great. It's the best country in the world, better than the rest. We go like way back. We were the first that acknowledged America as a country. We are best friends. Even better, we are the best friends forever. You've got Melania, we've got Doutzen, the best, the most amazing woman in the world. You've got the Trump Tower, but we've got the Aldehoven Tower. It's so crooked. It's terribly crooked. Almost as crooked as Hillary. Pete, our weatherman, controls the weather. He can make it rain, he can make it snow, and he can make it sunny. And all on the same day. Isn't it amazing? You've got the king of pop, but we've, and not a lot of people know this, we've got Rinus. Do you like ponies? Well, we got something even more amazing and better. We've got the Frisian horse. Bigger, and bigger and bigger. We hear you really like big things, so you should like the Frisian horse. You've got 50 states, but we've got 11 cities. The best cities, the greatest cities. Everybody wants to take their ice skates to those cities. But we can't because Pete won't make it freeze. We are amazing at sports. We've got the best sport team in the world. They are amazing. Cambuur. Oh no, wait. Heerenveen. Oh no. Ah yeah. The Uniflyers. Oh yeah, they're great. America first, but Friesland second, Mr. President.